Tommy Harmonic. Harmonic and who? Silence traded, voice comes, chest trembles, sleep shatters. Who's beside? Night lengthens, direction blurs, neurons panic, adrenaline surges, threat detected, serotonin drops, breath shortens, mind clouds, fame addicts, peace sold, piety performs, digger slogans, tears marketed, silence patented. Harmony shakes, harmony shakes, harmony, harmony shakes, harmony shakes, harmony. Harmony shakes, harmonize darkness, harmony awakens. Collapse your desire, restrain your pride, straighten your intent, silence your noise, shatter your arrogance, bow your forehead. Sky silent, still prostrating, still believing, slow steps feel cold, hear pulse. Straight in the inner intention, straight in the inner intention, straight in the inner intention. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah. Not I, what collapses, not I, it is my ego, not I, it is my ego. I bow, harmonize the soul. I bow, harmonize the soul. I bow, harmonize the soul. Collapse your desire, restrain your pride, straighten your intent, silence your noise, shatter your arrogance, bow your forehead. Prayer's not a stage, more than irony, feign peace, hide storm, not healed, still walking, still nodding, feel breath, hear the surroundings, slow shoulders. And to your Lord alone should you hope, as confident in Surah Vinchira, verse 8. Silence expands, just calms, subdue your vanity, control the impulse, build real value, stop the sacred performance, calm the mind's current, face yourself.